The FAW has designed a brand new coach education pathway in order to achieve a smoother transition between course levels, enhance the learning experience, and ensure our content remains relevant to the evolving game. As a coach, you'll be able to progress right the way through, from beginning your coaching journey with an FAW Introduction to Coaching Football qualification to completing your UEFA Pro license with the FAW. So, if you want to become a football coach, the first step on the new coach education pathway, the FAW Introduction to Coaching Football course, which aims to provide coaches with the knowledge and confidence required to organise fun and safe sessions that inspire young players to fall in love with football. The FAW Introduction to Coaching Football course costs £100, is accessible online or on demand, and will take 6 to 7 hours to complete. There are no prerequisites for this course, as it is the first step on your coaching journey. You must then complete the FAW Football Emergency Aid course and FAW Safeguarding Awareness Award. These two qualifications are mandatory prerequisites for future courses to ensure coaches have the knowledge required to provide safe football provision. The FAW Football Emergency Aid course costs £50. The FAW Safeguarding Awareness Award costs £25. Both courses are available online or on demand and have no prerequisites themselves. You will then be able to complete the UEFA Grassroots Leaders Award. Completing this course should take you around 14 hours. The majority of this time will be in person, with online learning making up the remaining hours. The award costs £175 and can only be completed once you have completed the FAW Introduction to Coaching Football, FAW Safeguarding Awareness Award and FAW Football Emergency Aid course. The next step on the coaching pathway is the UEFA C licence, which will introduce you to more in-depth coaching principles. The UEFA C licence costs £450 and will take 65 to 70 hours to complete, with that time split between in-person and online delivery. You can only enrol on the UEFA C licence upon completion of the UEFA Grassroots Leaders Award. The first qualification within the elite pathway is the UEFA B licence. On the UEFA B licence course, you will develop game understanding and tactical knowledge through a combination of practical, e-learning and distance learning. You can only complete the UEFA B licence once you have completed the UEFA C licence. The next qualification is the UEFA A licence. You must complete the UEFA B licence before you can enrol on the UEFA A licence. The final qualification coaches can complete as part of the new FAW Coach Education Pathway is the UEFA Pro licence. The highest level of coaching course available in Europe, the Pro licence aims to provide aspiring coaches with the necessary training, support and guidance to succeed at the very highest level in football. You must complete the UEFA A licence before you can enrol on the UEFA Pro licence.